The iOS18 system doesn't need zero-cycle adapter anymore. Repair non-original battery without buckle JCID battery repair FPC. No buckle JCID battery repair FPC. Although the original repair was successful, but the battery life and charging times are not successful. Will the Apple iOS 18 system affect JCID battery repair FPC? Of course not. JCID exclusive battery repair solution. Disassemble battery plus JCID battery FPC. Modify the data. After revising data, install it in mobile phone for diagnosing. The data will be synchronized directly after diagnosing, no need to flash. Solve the battery health problem of Apple iOS 18 perfectly.